it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. It is November 1st, 2025. Can you believe it? It's November already. The year is coming to a close and I just can't believe it. But since it's the first of the month, it's time to share our subscriptions, show you what's inside each of our subscriptions. And if you're a subscriber, I always say you're going to get some wonderful goodies delivered to your door this month. And if you're not a subscriber, it's a great month to subscribe. We have some wonderful subscription products, and let's go ahead and let's check them out. I'll start out by going over the stamp and Stampin' Die of the month. So if you order the stamp of the month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door. They charge and ship on the 10th of the month. And you always have the option to skip a month with us, but you have to let us know at least a full day in advance before the date of the charge so that we can get that skipped for you. But this is the stamp of the month. So cute. This is called Retirement Fun. Now, this is not only good for retirement, but you can use these images for all kinds of cards. Look at the cute bunny with its tropical drink. We've got a little gator here fishing. This elephant just looks like she loves to travel. We've got a bear sleeping on a sofa. We've got a hippo playing golf. The sentiments say, cheers to the next chapter. Retirement, where every day is Saturday. Life begins at retirement. Time to put your feet up and relax. And congratulations on your retirement. So this is the stamp of the month. If you get the stamp and die, you're going to also get the coordinating die, which I just have an image of. I don't have the die set in my hand just yet, but I wanted to show you we've got the coordinating dies. So this is the stamp and Stampin' Die of the month. Both of these charge on the 10th, and we ship it out on the 10th. And you get a stamp or Stampin' Die delivered to your door. Next up, let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard Kit. So our Crafty Courtyard Kit was our first subscription. We started in 2019, 2025, and we're still going strong. We love our Crafty Courtyard Kit. We think that you love it too. It is one of the best values in a card kit out there. I like to pack a lot of stuff in my subscriptions. So let's take a look. Each one comes with a flyer that tells you what in your kit. So you never have to question if you're missing something. I can say that for a couple years now, we have very rarely, maybe I could count on one hand the times that we've had anything missing in the kit. But you have a list of what's in your kit. You have the cardstock colors there. And on the other side, I usually give you some card sketches or maybe some helpful tips or tricks with the kit. This time we have 4 wonderful card sketches just to kind of jumpstart your creativity. You can pull the kit out and try to copy the card sketches that are here. Let's go over the paper that's in the kit. So this month you get 1 ice rink, white cardstock. We have school bus yellow, barbershop blue, sunny sky blue, wildflowers orange, and then we have a pink and a silver glitter cardstock. I love our glitter cardstock. The glitter doesn't shed and it die cuts beautifully, and it is just super sparkly glitter paper. Our glitter papers normally come in 6x6 multicolor packs, but in the subscription kit sometimes we give you full 8.5x11 sheets, so that's fun. So this month we have a sentiment stamp set in the kit with some great multi-use sentiments that you can use all year round. You've been on my mind, wishing you the very best. I'm so proud of you. I miss your beautiful smile. Happy birthday, my friend, and sending love and hugs. So these are just some great sentiments, nice, big, and bold to go on your cards. We have a beautiful sequin mix, and these are typically, this is exclusive to the kit. If we have any extra, we'll put in our subscriber only category, and our subscribers can pick up some extras if they like. Now I just have images of some of the other items. Like I mentioned with the dies before, I don't have everything in hand at the moment while I'm filming, but I had to get the video done so we can keep on schedule. So we have the Bright Side glitter enamel shapes. So this is something fun and new. So just like our glitter enamel dots that everyone loves, we now have these glitter enamel shapes. So you've got some dots down here, but you also have these really pretty diamond shapes. So they're going to be in these beautiful colors, but they're going to have glitter in them as well. So fun. I have an image of this die and it looks super small on my printout. This is actually a horizontal step card die. So you get the whole large die that cuts an A2 step card. So what happens is this center portion stands out from the front of the card, and I'll definitely have some videos showing more detail of what this die can do. It's so much fun, and I have some layering pieces that go in the different parts of the step dies. So we have some beautiful ornate little pieces that will cut out. Lots of fun designs there that you can layer on these solid pieces and put them in the different parts of the card. It also comes with the word hello die. So you got a word die in there as well. And this is going to be a big, large die set because, like I said, this die right here that cuts out the card is 8.5 by 5.5 because it cuts out your A2 size card. So my image doesn't do it justice. I apologize again. We don't have these in hand at the moment, but this is going to be an A2 horizontal step card die. So it's going to be the star of the show in the kit this month because it's a nice huge die and it makes a beautiful step card. We're also giving you a 6x6 embossing folder. I'm going to use the back of this sheet here so I can show you the detail. This is the Sparkles embossing folder. It has those beautiful diamond shapes all over it. Really neat. This kit has a bit of a bonus in it in that we're giving you some rub-ons. So this is an image of the 2 sheets of rub-ons that you're going to get. It's called Bright Encouragement rub-ons. They're beautiful shapes and sentiments and borders, everything you can rub onto your cards or your journals or planners and make some beautiful things. The sentiments on here: don't stand in your own way. If you can dream it, you can do it. Life is tough, but so are you. All things are possible if you believe. If you never try, you never know. Be proud of who you are. Every journey needs a first step. Trust the timing of your life. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. So some wonderful, encouraging sentiments. I love those. Those would look great on some cards to send to people that need some cheering up or a little bit of encouragement. And again, we've got some wonderful shapes here and circles and some flowers and borders, just a lot of fun stuff. Like I said, I'll be doing some videos with these because this is going to be so much fun to create with. The actual rub-ons are on 6x8 sheets, so they are larger than what I'm showing you here on the paper, and you get one of each of the sheets. There's 2 sheets in the package. We're still not done with this kit. It keeps going, and I tell you, for the base price of $34.99, you cannot beat this. We do add shipping to our kit, and the kit charges on the 15th of every month, and that's when we ship it as well. You're also going to get a sample pack of the Bright Side pattern papers. So these match beautifully with those rub-ons I just showed you. They're just super fun, cheerful papers. I love the patterns in here. I love the colors. Look at that. There are 12 different patterns in here, and you're going to get 1 sheet of each. The sheets are 8.5 by 5.5, so you can cut them in half and have 2 cards per sheet. You can also cut them up smaller and make many, many cards with them. Some really fun, bright, bold, cheerful patterns in here. That is the Bright Side sample paper pack. And then, of course, we can't forget your handy mesh zippered project bag that you're going to get in your kit. I'm going to go ahead and turn my ink machine on number 3 because next I'm going to show you our foil of the month subscription. This month we have a beautiful foil for a foil subscription. I know I say that every month, and every month they're all so beautiful. It's hard to choose a favorite. This is Sky Blue, and I just don't know if I get it right in the camera or if it shows just how beautiful it is, but it's a beautiful light blue, beautiful pale blue, but it's a beautiful sky blue foil. You get a full roll. Our rolls are manufactured here in the US. You get 6 1/4 inches wide by 25 feet. So you can do lots of foiling with our rolls of foil. So you're gonna get the sky blue foil in your foil subscription. We will have that for sale individually later in the month, but why not get the foil subscription if you love to foil and get the foil first before anyone else each month. Our first foilable that's in the foil subscription is our Fun Doodles foilable sheets. So this is a pack of 8 patterns. They're all 8.5 by 5.5. And I've given you the positive and negative of each pattern. You'll see as we go through here. Just some fun, looks like hand doodled images or designs. Here's some squiggles. But I tried to design something that would go really well with that bright side paper pack that's in the kit. So you could, and this one is cut down. You'll get a full sheet. I cut it so I could show you some foiling here today. But as I was saying, I wanted some patterns that would pair well with that bright side paper pack that's in the Crafty Courtyard kit. And our sky blue foil goes really well with that paper pack also because there is that light blue color in the paper pack. And then check this out. You get a little bit of a bonus this month in the foil subscription also. So our kit had the extra rub-ons, some extra glitter paper, and some glitter enamel dots. Had lots of stuff in there. And this month I'm also giving you the bonus of a large second set of sheets, foilable sheets. Usually I do sheets and a panels, which are smaller. This time we're going to do 2 sets of foilable sheets. And this time you're going to get some color toner sheets. So this is the Bold Brights colored toner sheets or foilables. You get 8 different colors. This beautiful bright pink. We've got a lighter pink, kind of a rosy pink. We have a dark orange that looks just like our wildflowers orange. We've got that school bus yellow in here. We have a lovely green. There's a beautiful pale blue, a nice rich navy blue, and an orange. Again, that will be a full sheet. I just cut mine so we could do some foiling today. So you get the Bold Brights colored toner sheets. Do you see how these colors pair so perfectly with the paper pad in the Crafty Courtyard kit? So if you get the Crafty Courtyard kit and the foil subscription, you can mix and match your foilables, your foiled sheets, along with the pattern papers in the kit and make some beautiful shiny projects. So let's pull our ink machine over. I've got my transfer folder under here. And I just wanted to quickly foil a couple of things because I wanted to make sure everyone that's getting the foil subscription understands how those color toner sheets work. I think we're the only ones offering so many colored toner sheets. There was just black before, so everything had to go on a black background when you foiled the negative. And I'm going to show you what foiling the negative is all about. Now we have lots of colors, and we have white and we have silver also. So this is the foilable sheets from that Fun Doodles pack. And I just dusted it off with our foil dusting brush just to get any dust or debris off of there so it foils nicely. And our foil dusting brushes will be back in stock really soon. I have those on order because we did sell out. But I'm just going to run that through with the foil pretty side up on the foilable through our mini ink machine. While that's running through, I'm going to quickly dust off our colored toner sheet. This is what we're going to put our negative foil piece onto. Okay, I'm going to remove both the foilable and the foil from the transfer folder. But we want to wait for this to cool down before we do the peel and reveal, like the fun part. So I'm just letting this cool down just a bit. And once it's cool, we can do our peel and reveal. Now we have a beautiful sky blue panel with those little white doodles in there. So pretty. Love that. I'm going to set that aside. So now, if you see, if I put it down here, you can see those doodles are in my foil. So this is your negative foil piece. That's what I mean by negative foil piece. You're going to put that on top of your colored toner sheet. See how I got that there? And it puts that pattern onto the colored toner sheet. So let's put this into our transfer folder or carrier sheet. And I apologize, we're also out of our transfer folders, but we will have those back soon as well. And I've made a little improvement to them, so I can't wait for you to see. So we'll just run that through straight and even into our mini ink machine. So I'm going to remove this from our transfer folder. And once this is cooled off, we're going to do our peel and reveal. And look at that. We've put those beautiful foil doodles on the orange background. Super fun. So you get two different looks for one piece of foil. The foil subscription charges and ships on the 5th of each month. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the subscription products for November 2025. You can find out more and subscribe at pinkandmain.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.